Now we're going to look at something that we skipped around. We didn't skip, but we're doing something else certainly. Now there is, we've been recording variables. We've used a couple of methods. Now there is one that is a little bit more attractive than the rest. Automatic record. We're going to take a look at this. And if we took, for example, age in years, and normally, because it automatically records into a new variable, you don't want to record the exact column that has got the values for your data set. You would like to create another variable to make sure that just in case you didn't do something that you like, you retain the integrity of the original values. Now it's going to this one is going to fade into age rank, and age rank is going to be like if you are 18, you're going to if you're 18 and that is the lowest value, because this data is for adults, it's going to be ranked 1, and then the highest number is going to be so if there are 3 people who were in this data set and each of them was 18 years of age, each of them will have a rank of 1. So if we do this and so add new name, and then we leave all these ones the same, we click here. Now of course it doesn't show you much here, but probably, well, let's just first go through here. So this is the syntax, which we don't really have to get into because it's automatically done for you by SPSS. Again, if we get into trying to program into SPSS, that's when we get into learning that syntax. But for now, for our level, we're just gonna we just use the automatic. The syntax is generated. We can play a bit with it, but for now, it's not a major focus. I'd like to get into as much functionality as possible. So now, the first value is 18, and the ages just keep on going down. Now 18 was given 1 because that is the youngest person within this data set, and then 4 is 21, and then the values keep going. And you notice that these values, this data set has got 6,400 records, and these values stop at 77. So that means the person with the age of 77 has got a rank of 60. These are not the number of people who were 77. But when you rank the ages from the youngest person within the dataset up to the oldest person within the dataset, 77 years of age would be ranked 60. Now I would like to go to this dataset. Remember, we created a new variable called age rank, and this would actually be feeding into